Listen closely. For the echo. Of your genesis.
In this video, we're going to demonstrate a recipe for Andean, Coca, Maca, Lucuma, superfood pancakes. Really extraordinarily cleansing, a great way to prepare for dieta or just to start your day with a boost of energy and lots of fiber and some extraordinary antioxidant properties and lots of vitamin C. I mean, these are amazing pancakes. And we're going to use coca flour made from the leaves of the coca plant and flour actually made from the Lucuma fruit. And so here in the Andes, the coca plant obviously is a hugely important medicine. Many Andean peoples will actually sift through the whole coca bag looking for the most perfect 3 leaves, and then they will offer one to each of the 3 elements that are acknowledged here in the Andes. In the north, only the very, very tiniest and most tender leaves, about this size, are considered worth chewing, and the cocaine alkaloid is actually not the main consideration when choosing plants. It's a sort of bitter taste that's more pronounced in the northern plants. It's very difficult to describe. It's kind of sour, bitter. Here in the higher Andes, the cocaine alkaloid is a little bit more important because the altitude can make you more tired more quickly. This is called Yipta. There are several different varieties of it. This one I believe is made from mint. It's sweet, so it must have a little bit of panela, some mint, and probably quinoa ashes. And you place the activator in the center of the coca leaves, wrap them up, and just place them in the side of the cheek. And chewing coca is actually a misnomer. It's just kind of left there to allow the saliva to extract the alkaloids and provide energy, vitamins, minerals, and polyphenols, and all sorts of cleansing agents. In fact, if you chew a lot of coca really intensely, you will smell terrible because you flush so many toxins. It's one of the most nutrient-dense plants on the entire planet in terms of vitamins and minerals by weight as well. So let's check out our very simple but amazing ingredients. There is, so you said 2 tablespoons, so a tablespoon per person of harina de coca, which is just pulverized coca leaf. We have some baking soda, which serves as an ingredient in the pancakes, but also activates the cocaine alkaloid, so that this will provide some stimulation. And then we have some lucuma flour. The lucuma is so these are very cleansing pancakes because the coca contains alkaloids and compounds that flush toxins from the system, but the lucuma actually physically draws waste from the bowels. So this is a tremendously cleansing breakfast. And then a squeeze of lemon in our milk to activate. And then also we have 1 tablespoon of maca root, which is mostly for male libido and energy, and definitely another nutrient-rich superfood. So in total, These pancakes have 3 of the most phenomenal superfoods in the Andes, plus some panela, which is just basically dehydrated cane water. And a squeeze of lemon to activate the baking soda, 1 egg, and some organic Andean blueberries. Normally we would use salco, which is an extraordinary wild berry from the area, but it's not in season, so we're gonna go with blueberries. All right, let's... Alright, it came out super fluffy and incredible. Perfect, absolutely perfect. So we have some local wildflower. Look how creamy that honey is. It's incredibly unique as well. I've never tasted any honey like that before in my life. Local farm raised butter. Generous quantities. And it's amazing creamy. Wow, look at that. Most unique honey that I've ever tasted. It's a little bit difficult to spread, but alright, we're ready for the moment of truth. It's actually amazing. They kind of taste a little bit like marijuana pancakes, like they have that little bit of green flavor, but the Coca did not overpower. The Lucuma added a nice, sweet, and unique, almost perry or citrusy sort of flavor, and the wild honey is incredible. So definitely an extraordinary pile of superfoods in front of me. I can't wait to see how I feel an hour or so after consuming this. So do me a favor, hit the like button, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you don't miss anything, because we're going to be doing lots of these incredible recipes along with our regular plant medicine and other consciousness expanding content. So